Hi, I'm McMichael. I'm the CEO and co-founder of InfiniGraph. InfiniGraph is like a Comscore Nielson for content marketing and competitive intelligence. Marketers are fundamentally drowning with the amount of information they're having to process to determine what their customers find is relevant. InfiniGraph simplifies trend identification, enabling brands to create highly effective content marketing campaigns.
So what's an example of one of the campaigns?
We've been involved with companies like Forever 21, TCBY, L'Oreal. All of them have obviously competitors, and the big challenge is what kind of content is resonating within that competitive ecosystem. Consumers today, and really the big paradigm shift is that content it literally went from a keyword world to now it is a interest graph where people are acting on content. And the big deal there is that consumers are sharing or interacting, like social share functions, baked on pretty much virtually every single piece of content on the planet. So for a brand marketer, not only do they have competitors acting on other content, but they want to know what's resonating in their business or industry vertical. Also, the consumers are acting on other content that's relevant to their brand. So how do I curate that content, bring it together because I know it's super relevant, and then surface it in my feed to again increase my engagement overall. And the game right now, and there's an open war, it's called engagement war, where I'm trying to engage my customers, and whoever's effective and being more efficient with that engagement is taking market share.
So what are you doing to increase your market?
So InfiniGraph actually drinks their own champagne. We utilize our product daily, not only from a curation perspective, so we're curating over some of the top tier brands in our industry. We know exactly what content's working and resonating. If you go to our Facebook site, which is InfiniGraph /InfiniGraph, Facebook/InfiniGraph, you can see some of the content that we've found that's working and is effective. And if you look across our competitive landscape, we actually have a much higher engagement rate. And the reason why is because we're just being very smart about our content. The other great thing that we do, we provide our clients is interest. So we know what our target audience has interest on. So those CMOs, what other content sources are they acting on, and we buy against that. So there's two ways our product is very effective. One is the content marketing, one is the interest graph targeting. Yes, so InfiniGraph is a platform as a service. We are a true cloud platform. In its essence, we are a big data company. We're aggregating billions of pieces of content over about 250,000 brands across the social graph. And really, we're looking at Facebook and Twitter. It's not really a social site anymore. It's more like a barometer to measure relevancy.
What is your plan in the future?
Well, our plans for the future is that we're, as part of this, event, the Innovation Summit, is that we're releasing what's called industry pages. It's really the world's first. It allows for any brand to see how they're not only competitive, but within one click, they can see what the industry, what is resonating in their physical industry. We're launching 40 plus industries.
Anything else that you feel is changing in your industry?
I think the biggest challenges right now for brands is that you think about how much content is being created, and it's not only from a content perspective, but the mobile devices are now creating indicators of location, positioning of the device, all kinds of elements where it's adding on more data to context and content. And so how to process that and how to make sense of it is really going to be the big challenge for marketers. And this is really where we fit and meet that need.